intelligence, expertise.
What other doors could they close?
Like, how much am I willing to give up? Stand commitment and are not committed to the struggle. Acquiescing to the struggle. They're committed.
Careful who you leave toeless.
My advice to everyone is to question everything. Everything this Western society has taught you. Julius Caesar committed arguably the worst atrocity known to mankind. He is single-handedly responsible for destroying hundreds of thousands of years of history by burning down a library in Egypt. Why would you burn down a library? What are you trying to hide? The Library of Alexandria, to be exact, which is named after Alexander the Great, who also had a hand in destroying hundreds of thousands of years of African history. The esteemed Napoleon, mind you, who was defeated by Toussaint Louverture and the Haitians, also came into Egypt and defaced all of the sculptures representing any type of African features. How far back do you think whitewashing goes? Then people have the nerve to say that because Europe colonized America and Africa, that the original Egyptians were not black. By that logic, I guess white Americans represent what Native Americans should look like today, right? Why have we been written out of history and why do we accept it? Why does Buddha have Bantu nuts and stretched earlobes? Isn't that an African tradition? Why do the Olmec heads in America have lips and nostrils thicker than mine? We are the original people, the originators of everything. Our history doesn't start with slavery. It was just erased up until that point.
Intelligence, expertise.
What other doors could they close?
Like, how much am I willing to give up? Stand commitment and are not committed to the struggle. Acquiescing to the struggle. They're committed.
Careful